Yesterday we explored an ice lagoon, Diamond Beach, and took a boat ride to a glacier, and then explored a glacier cave. Today we have our final day in Iceland before flying back home tomorrow. Today we'll be driving 390 miles around the northern part of Iceland. We'll be making 3 stops today, as well as an impromptu jump session at a local playground. But our first stop today will be checking out a canyon just an hour north. This canyon is filled with glacier water and is surrounded by basalt rock formations. At one point the river was as high as the land, but recently a dam was built and the canyon was revealed. There are 2 locations to view the canyon, one where you can park and take the stairs to the lookout, or park at a farm and walk 2.5 miles to the canyon side. Our next stop was at Dettifoss, that is Europe's largest and most powerful waterfall that is 114 feet tall and 328 feet wide. There are 2 access points for Dettifoss, one from the west and the other the east side. We visited the east side as the drive is easier to access and a shorter walk to the falls. Here, you will also find the location for Selfoss, about 800 meters upstream that you can walk to. Our final stop of the day was at a geothermal area. This geothermal area has hissing and smoking fumaroles and boiling mud pots. Like many of the other areas in Iceland, this geothermal area has its activity because of the volcanic movement that is happening underneath the surface. There's a hiking trail so you can spend more time here, but we spent about 15 to 20 minutes and continued on our journey, making our way back to the capital after a 12-hour travel day before heading home tomorrow morning.